girls, today we are learning how to read maps, okay? And can anybody tell me what this is a picture of?
The United States.
So good job. All right. Now today you're going to learn how to read maps and all about globes and things of that nature, okay? So, all right. First, we have a map of North America. You can see it has Alaska at the top, and Canada, North America, United States of America, Mexico. Now a map is a drawing of the ground that shows where towns, rivers, mountains, and other important features are. If you look, we can see the lakes here, and we have the mountain ranges. This is the Rocky Mountain Range right here, and these are the mountains in Mexico. On an atlas, which we have down here at the bottom, it's a book of maps, and it has information pages about the countries in the map. So an atlas would have a map of India, and a map of Pakistan, and a map of Nepal, all in one book that you can go to and read about. Okay, now who knows what this is?
Globe.
Globe, that's very right. And it's a globe showing the earth. You can see Africa here. And a globe is a three-dimensional scale model of Earth. We have one right here that you can see how it's three-dimensional. It's not flat. And this is what the world looks like. This is what Earth looks like, you know, when you're in the space shuttle out in space. So, and the word globe comes from Latin, meaning globus, or round. Okay. Now we're going to sort these words here into categories, whether it's an example of a map, an atlas, or globe. And Gina, can you come help me for a minute?
Sure.
So what you're going to do is you're going to look at this word drawing. Now, do you think it's a map, atlas, or globe?
I think a drawing would be a map.
All right, just drag it to that section. Good job. And what about a 3D model?
A 3D model would be a globe.
All right, you might be able to get it to go better than me. There you go. And a book, what would a book be?
An atlas.
That's right. Now, Earth's orbit, you know, that's a line. So
That would be the globe.
that would be on a globe. Okay. City information, map, atlas, or globe?
Probably a map or an atlas.
Well, we'll go with map. We'll see. Apparently, the board is not getting along with me today. There we go.
Good.
Directions. So you think that would be a map, atlas, or globe?
Well, I think it would be a map or an atlas.
Which one do you want to go with?
Atlas.
All right. Put it in the thing, and then we'll check our work and see if we're
All
right.
right.
Okay, so right now we have drawing and city information under map, book and directions under atlas, and 3D model in Earth's orbit under globe. So we'll check and see. Oh, perfect. You got it. Good job. Now, what are a couple? You can sit back down too.
All right.
Thank you. What is something else about a map that we can add to this list?
Well, it has legends.
Okay. What else about an atlas that we can add to that list?
Oh goodness, let's see here.
Maybe contains more than one
Yeah.
country.
Yes, that's good.
Okay. And a globe. What is something else about a globe that we can add to that list?
Well, it's a representation of the Earth, so it can help you explain longitude and latitude.
Okay, that's very good. Can you use for longitude and latitude? All right, very good. All right, let's go on to the next to have a box called a key. So if we hit the key, these are two different samples of what a key on any given map could be. You'll have a certain symbol for the capital city of each state, and then a symbol that signifies towns, key features, mountain ranges, borders, state borders, and rivers. And see, and it's pretty much the same. They have a different type of icon for capital city on this one. This one has something for airport, hotel, mountain. So it's pretty standard from map to map. You can pretty much always know what's what. They also use different colors to show different physical features on maps. So now we're going to do, let's see. Map makers often use colors to show the land features for the area. Here are some common colors that are used. Can you guess what each color may be used for? So, once we're ready to find out which one this is, we're going to move it across. So, blue. What do you think blue might represent?
Water, rivers.
Water, rivers,
Yeah.
okay. Oceans.
Yeah.
So, you were right. Blue represents lakes, rivers, streams, oceans, and reservoirs. What about this khaki kind of color?
Sand, landmarks, parks.
All right. Deserts, historical sites, national parks, very good. And this green color? Kind of has a
Looks
shape
like
in there.
sky, maybe.
It's got more of a shape to it. Maybe land masses?
Yeah, that'd be great. Texas.
Or parks, golf courses, or forests, things like that. Red, what do you think red would be?
State lines, is that red? Borders.
Those major highways, roads, borders, airports. What about this yellow or guacamole kind of color?
Let's see. I'm not sure.
Well, let's see. All right, and what we have is it's yellow. It's big population areas. Like on some maps, this New York City would be yellow because it's a huge population. And then we got this brown, which is mountain areas. And what about black down here at the bottom?
I'm not sure.
Okay, well, let's see what it says. Okay, roads, highways, and borders. So if you have a line that's this color, it's probably a highway or something. If you have an area on a map that looks like this, it's probably a mountain range. Big population area cities are going to be kind of this color. And then major highways, roads, airports can be red. Parks, golf courses, national parks, deserts, and water. Very good. So, now here is a sample of a key next to a map. We have water. So what do you think all of this right here is? It's going to be water, huh? We got the Pacific Ocean, Sea of Japan, Yellow Sea, East China Sea. And then land is this color. So you have all this right here that's kind of greenish. Now this is kind of a brown color. What do you think's right there? Maybe a lot of sand. Or things like that. And then here we have this brown color, which designates mountains. So we have mountains here. We have the mountains in Japan. And then of course we have our dot for cities. We have, those are rather hard for me to say, but we have a dot here representing North Korea and South Korea. These are all islands of Japan, and Kyushu is here, Honshu is here, and then borders. So if you look here, right here we have China,